The login credentials for this will be posted in the description. You can use the same email and password for logging in and checking it. This is an AI powered smart assistant created for managing 3D printing business more efficiently. It has different modules: dashboard, leads, quotes, orders, production, inventory, marketing, follow up, finance. In the dashboard, you will see complete analytics of the business. In this section, you will be able to see summary of active leads, pending quotes, open orders, and revenue of this month. In the quick actions, you will be able to navigate to specific section. You can also see the printers configured for your business. This has an option to create a daily plan. Once you click on run daily plan, AI assistant will draft a proper plan for the day based on your business status. Once the plan is drafted, you can review and just follow. The lead module, you will be able to add leads manually and you can fetch leads from different sources for your business. For now, this is not linked to any lead management system. Once customer starts interacting with your lead management system, you will be able to extract that data and save in the system. Example, once you get the query from your lead, you can just click on extract lead and it fetches the required data in the standard format. Once you approve and save, it auto populates the details and you can save the lead. Here you can change the status of the lead to contacted, qualified, quoted, won or lost. Quotes module. Instead of manually calculating every 3D printing quote, the owner can fill the required details for calculating the cost. The system immediately calculates the complete cost and the final quote amount. This is very useful because pricing mistakes are common in 3D printing business. Many times, owner only think about filament costs but miss to consider other costs. Here, everything is visible in one place. Another important feature is the draft customer message option. The AI creates a professional message that can be copied and sent to the customer. For now, it is made only after approval. This keeps communication fast, professional, and safe. We can integrate these to business communication channels to make it completely automated. In orders module, once a quote is accepted, it will move into the order tracking system automatically. The orders page helps track every job from new order to final delivery. For solo 3D printing business, this is very important because multiple small orders can easily become confusing without proper tracking. Each order can have its status updated so owner always knows what is pending, what is printing and what is ready for the delivery. In production module, the section is connected to the actual printer setup of the business. The owner can see printer status, current job, progress, and whether the machine is idle, printing, or under maintenance. The AI production planner suggests how to use the available printers more effectively. For example, a small jobs can be assigned to A1 mini, batch jobs can be assigned to A1. This helps to reduce idle printer time and improves daily production output. The most important benefit is that the owner does not need to mentally plan everything manually. The system creates a draft production plan and the owner can approve and apply it. The inventory module helps to track filament stock by material, color, current quantity, total quantity, and the status. For a 3D printing business, inventory control is critical. If filament runs out during an active order, delivery gets delayed and customer experience is affected. Here, the owner can update current stock levels, quickly identify low stock materials. The AI inventory analysis can highlight which material needs attention which colors are running low and what should be the reordered. This is especially useful when managing multiple colors and materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU. The inventory page should become the control center for the filament planning, reorder alerts, and material tracking. Marketing module helps to generate content for social media. The owner can choose the platform such as Instagram or Facebook, select the content type, and enter the topic idea. Then the AI generates marketing content that can be used for posts, reels, captions, and promotions. This is helpful because a small business owner usually spends lot of time thinking about what to post. With this feature, we can create a regular content for custom keychain gifts, prototypes, student projects, business branding, and 3D printed products. Every marketing draft can be reviewed, approved, saved, and reused later. This keeps the business active online without needing a separate marketing team. Follow-up module helps the owner stay connected with the leads and the customers already captured in the lead management system. In small businesses, many sales are lost not because the customer said no, because follow ups were missed. This module can remind the owner which customer needs follow up and can regenerate AI based follow up recommendations. All messages remain draft until it is reviewed. Finance module gives a simple overview of revenue, expense, and monthly profit. For a 3D printing business, this is very important because revenue alone does not show real business health. The system tracks monthly income, expense, profit, recent expenses, and payments. The AI finance summary explains the current situation in the simple language and gives you suggestions to improve the margin. This helps the owner to understand whether the business is profitable, where money is going, and what needs the improvement. The settings page allows the owner to manage business details and pricing defaults. Here, the owner can update business name, city, contact details, material cost, machine hourly rate, design hourly rate, packing cost, delivery cost, and profit margin. This is important because once these printing defaults are updated, the code calculator becomes faster and more accurate. Thank you and subscribe for more videos like this.